Hi everyone, I'm going to explain you pulse timer in S7300. As you can see the simple circuit diagram, when there is a no input signal, the output lamp will be off. Whenever input signal goes high, immediately the lamp will be turned on. The lamp will be turned on for the delay mentioned in the timer. After the program delay, the lamp turns off even there is an input. Manager. Click on the blocks, open the OB1. I'm going to write the simple logic. Let me insert NO contact. Assign the input I0.0. In the left side window you can see the instructions. Go to the timers. Select the pulse timer. Assign the timer name. In the TV you can give the time delay. I'm going to give S5T hash 5S. 5S means the timer will be on for the 5 seconds. Assign the output to this Q 0.0. Here you can give the reset input I 0.1. This is the simple network pulse timer. Whenever I 0.0 goes high, the output Q 0.0 will be on. It will be on for the 5 seconds, which is mentioned in the TV. Let me save it. This is the simulator S7 PLC Sim 1. You can download this program to the simulator. Go and click here on the download button. Say yes. This is the monitor icon. You can click here. You can see the program started monitoring. Now I 0.0 is low. The output is also off and timer is also not counting. Now open this S7 PLC sim. Click on IB. Here you can give the which input byte you want to trigger. Here I have used I 0.0, so IB0 is given here. Click on the I 0.0. You can see that the timer is on. It will be on for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it went off. I will show you again. Enable I 0.0. The timer started. Since it is a pulse timer, output will be on for the 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds output goes off. Next video, please subscribe to my channel for all S7300 videos.